In this video, we'll discuss about antibiotics and their classification. Antibiotic is a chemical substance produced by a living organism, generally a microorganism that is detrimental to other microorganisms. They are used to cure diseases caused by bacteria like pneumonia, tuberculosis, meningitis, etc. Now moving on to the classification. First one is based on chemical structure, in that beta-lactam antibiotics, which include penicillins, cephalosporins, monobactams, carbapenems, beta-lactamase inhibitors. Second one is tetracyclines, which include short-acting tetracycline, oxytetracycline, intermediate-acting demiglocycline, methacycline, long-acting doxycycline, minocycline. The third classification is aminoglycoside antibiotics, which are systemic and topical. In systemic, streptomycin, gentamicin, kanamycin, amikacin, etc. In topical, neomycin, famicitin. Next one is macrolide antibiotics, which include azithromycin, erythromycin, clarithromycin. Polypeptide antibiotics include Polymyxin B, Vancomycin, Bacitracin, Colistin. Lincomycins include Clindamycin. And the last one is Miscellaneous Chloramphenicol Fusidic acid. Now, the second classification is based on mechanism of action, in that cell wall synthesis inhibitors include beta-lactams, penicillins, cephalosporins, carbapenems, monobactams, vancomycin, bacitracin, and cell membrane synthesis inhibitors, polymyxins. Nucleic acid synthesis inhibitors include folate synthesis, in that sulfonamides, trimethoprim, DNA gyrase inhibitors, quinolones, RNA polymerase, rifampin. And then protein synthesis inhibitors, which include 30S subunit, tetracyclines, aminoglycosides. For 50S subunits, macrolides, clindamycin, linezolid, chloramphenicol, streptogramins. Now moving on to the third classification based on pharmacological action. First, antifungal antibiotics, griseofulvin, polyene macrolide, which includes amphotericin B and nystatin. Anticancer antibiotics, Doxorubicin, Dactinomycin, Plicamycin. Then antityphoid antibiotics, chloramphenicol, antibacterial antibiotics, which include penicillin, cephalosporins. These are based on pharmacological action, okay? And then antidiarrheal antibiotics, Colistin, antitubercular antibiotics, Rifampicin Rifabutin. Now that's all for the classification, the three main types of classification of antibiotics. Subscribe for more such videos.